Virtual assistant beginner ka rin ba na hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga red flags to watch out for when applying to the virtual assistant job? Hindi lahat ng nagpo-post ng online job opportunity is legal. Marami pong scammers sa online job industry. Here are 5 red flags to watch out. Number 1, very vague yung job description. If the details are unclear, always ask for clarification. Number 2, asking for free work. Real clients will never ask for free samples. They will always pay. Number 3, unrealistic deadlines. Beware of clients with unreasonable expectations. Number 4, no clear payment terms. Always agree on payment methods, schedules upfront. And lastly, overly high expectation for low pay. If the offer sounds too good to be true, baka nga talagang too good to be true siya. Always stay safe and protect yourself as a freelancer. Always make sure to sign a contract with your clients. So I hope this helps. Follow for more VA